How to delete posts on BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete posts on BeReal. Without further ado, let's get started. So to make sure that the feature is working, let's first visit the App Store right here or your respective App Store for your phone. And let's first check if our BeReal is up to date. So to do that, just search for BeReal and go to the app page on your App Store. And then what we're going to pay attention to is this button right here. If that says open, that means that your BeReal is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update button, that means that your BeReal is currently outdated. So just click on the update option so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature being able to delete your post. So once you have made sure that your BeReal is up to date, let's just go ahead and open it. And under the My Friends tab, you should be able to see your own BeReal post. So to delete this one, just click on this three-dotted button right here. And from here, you should see the number of comments, real emojis, and retakes as well. So just click on the options right here at the top, at the bottom right corner. And actually, it shows that deleting my BeReal is not available. This is actually because this is my second picture after deleting the first one, so you will not be able to delete it if that is the case. So, however, normally you should be seeing the delete button right here, so just click on that and confirm your decision. So, like that is how you can basically delete your post on BeReal. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.